it, saw my screen, I realized that my screen did not was not recording. So we will do head and shoulders pattern. Remember that, as I had said, these chart patterns are formed by price action. So when you say that you use price actions strategies, please, these are patterns strategies, and these are chart patterns strategies that you can use to trade. Let me show you what we are calling shoulders. First, I mark the shoulder, I mark the head, then I mark the second shoulder. Okay, remember that the shoulder should be below the head. Shoulder should not go above the head. Okay, so if you check this one, according to this one, you can sell at this point. And please, when you are selling, you can use candlestick patterns when you are placing to determine the appropriate place to place your sell position. So this one means that this point or this zone has a high resistance. At this zone, the quote currency is becoming stronger than the base currency. That is why the market is resisting, is forming the shoulder. This shows that this is another thing to show that in simple term, this zone did not reach this zone, and there is high likelihood that the market is reversing. For me, I use this for my entry. I will capture only this peep to be sincere, and because after the market has moved like this, I will put my stop loss just below break even. I'll be hit, and I'll get out of this market without any profit, or maybe I close at this point. This is also a very nice point of closure. You can close your market at this point because it has reached another high area of support, or just a high area of demand. When I use this, please ensure that you watch a video on demand and supply. You can also watch another one on support and resistance. I want to show you in a live chart. This one seems, I love using the live chart so that you can know how you can trade this. Let me go to the live chart. We see what is offering us. Head and shoulders pattern. We look at please remember that I am using IC markets, and here I can see clearly head and shoulder, and we can check this one. That is shoulder, this is head, shoulder. Okay, in fact these are at the very nice level. If you check, these are the same level. Okay, so the market moved like this. We have let me check what, let me use that. So the market was here, came, formed a shoulder, went ahead, formed a head, formed another shoulder, then we can see the market is going down. Okay, so there are many shoulders in the currencies. You can find that this is a head, this is a shoulder, and maybe there was a shoulder beyond that. I do not want to move the chart. So at this point, this shows that this is a zone of high resistance. So the market is being rejected at this point. So this means that the quote currency is gaining strength, and it's now crucifying the the base currency. So the quote currency becomes strong. So that is why the movement is being rejected by a strong zone at this point. This is caused. Remember, this is caused by transactions that we have on a daily basis. We have also the news that change also the strength of the currency. We have also the country's activities like elections, what instability, that is war, and other activities that affect the strength of the value of the currency. This is what we call zones, areas where activities are happening such that they are changing how this currency was strong. Okay, this chart is the Euro NZD, the New Zealand dollar. So NZD here became more stronger than Euro. That's why it is reversing. My entry will be here. I'm very safe when it comes to entering. I will sell at that position. Then my stop loss will be somewhere above here. So here will be my SL. My take profit can be somewhere here, which is very okay. So there I will put my take profit. So that is how you place a trade using shoulder. I know some of you might be wondering what has made me place there. This was the previous bottom, okay? And I always trade when the market has passed the previous bottom to show me that there is high strength that is bearish. There is high strength, high push on bearish movement. The quote currency NZD in this case is more stronger than Euro. That is why I am predicting downwards trade. I think we are together in this, and that is how we trade head and shoulder. Let us go back. We see what we have. Okay. We have covered head and shoulder. Previously, we covered this area. Let me take you back. Our first strategy, if you have not watched, please ensure that you go through it. They are all related. Our first one was that is BAT pattern, the W, this one, the W pattern, this W. Second one was a triple top pattern, the triple tops, we identified them. The third one was a double top. We identified our double top that was related to that one. Another one, the double top. That one, the previous one was the double bottom. The double bottom that is related to BAT or the W. Then we have the next one was a double top, which is also related, which is the congruent of the opposite of the double bottom. We have double top. Then we move again to the head and shoulder. You can see the head and shoulders, what we have covered. Then the next one, we will cover the triangle pattern. This one will be the last pattern on chart patterns. Then we will go direct to the price rejection strategy. Okay, so let us check on a triangle pattern, and I explain to you what is a triangle pattern. So see you. Let us move. Just click next to watch this video.